everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So are you also capturing your leads from Instagram lead ads and you want to instantly send them the WhatsApp message? I have created this automation workflow in just few minutes and it has automated my entire task of notifying my leads instantly. So here with this automation, as soon as I receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, I instantly send them the WhatsApp message, that too personalized. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can build the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly chat flow, using which we are going to send the WhatsApp message in such a manner that whenever I receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, the message is sent to this particular lead. For this, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect access now and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. I'm going to select the workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to create this workflow using classic version and then I have named this workflow as automatically send WhatsApp messages to Instagram leads, and then I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Instagram automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, these boxes have appeared in front of me where I have to enter the application. Now trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, a WhatsApp message is automatically sent, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Instagram lead ads, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Pabbly chat flow, using which I'm going to send the WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Instagram lead ads. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here my Instagram and my Facebook are connected. So I'm going to continue with the same Facebook account. I'm going to click on this continue as Michael and you will see Instagram lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. And now I have to enter the page and the lead gen form. Now to get this page, I'm going to open my Facebook account and this is the page by the name Digital Dynamics, using which I will be running all my advertisements. My Instagram and my Facebook are connected. If I open my Instagram, go towards this more and click on the settings and go towards the see more in account center, you will find that my Instagram and my Facebook are connected, and I have also created campaigns in the ad manager where my Facebook page and my Instagram account are connected. So you have to create that complete setup. Now I'll go back towards my workflow and select the page as Digital Dynamics and then I have to enter this lead gen form. Now to get this lead gen form, I'm going to open Meta for developers and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, you have to go towards the resources and then click on this developer tools, and as you land towards this page, you have to click on this lead ads RTO debug tool, where you will be landed towards this lead ads testing tool. Here you have to select the page. So I'm going to select the page as Digital Dynamics and then I'm going to select the form. So over here in this drop down, you can see all the forms. I'm going to select this DD lead form. I'll go back towards my workflow and select the same form. Now, if you want to capture the response from all of the lead forms, you can simply select all lead gen forms. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, you have to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I'm going to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. So if I receive that response, this is going to show us the connection setup is working fine. Now, before generating or creating any lead, I'm going to delete the previous lead. Now, when you will be running a live campaign, you need not have to do this again and again. And then I'm going to refresh this page once, and then I'm going to repeat the same process. Select the page, which is Digital Dynamics, and the form was DD lead form. After that, I'm going to click on this preview form. So here I'm going to enter some dummy details, like the name is latest user. The email address is latest@pabblyconnect.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number, and then I'm going to enter the company name as Magnet Brains. I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to submit this here. As soon as the form is submitted, I should have captured the same details in my workflow. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received the response or not. And here you can see I have captured the response just 1 second ago, which means as soon as I have submitted the form. The details which we entered was this: latest user was the name, email address was latest@pabblyconnect.com, the 74741 was the phone number, and the company name was Magnet Brains. Here, as soon as I have received the details, I can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message using Pabbly chat flow. I'm going to open this action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Pabbly chat flow. In my action event, I'm going to select send text message. Now, if you want to send a template message or audio message or image message, you can select according to your choice and preference. I'm going to send a text message. I have selected that. I have clicked on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, you have to enter the token. You have to take the token from this Pabbly chat flow account, enter it over here, save this. And in this manner, you will be able to connect your Pabbly chat flow to your Pabbly Connect account. Now, to get this token, you have to click on the hyperlink, and as you land towards this all Pabbly apps page, click on this Pabbly chat flow access now, and you will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly chat flow, from where you have to go towards the settings, and then you will find this APIs and webhooks. If you open this, you will be able to find this API token, which you have to copy and paste that over here. Now here, as I have already an existing connection, I have created this connection multiple times, so I'm going to save this. You will see Pabbly chat flow will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter these details. So the first one is recipient mobile number. In the help desk, it is written that I have to enter the phone number without the plus sign but with the country code. So I'm going to enter this phone number using mapping. If you are an existing user, you already know about mapping, but if you are a new user, here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Here, as I click on this field, I can see this Instagram lead ads, and here this is the phone number which I have received. But you see, it's written that I have to remove this plus sign. Now, how to remove this plus sign? I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for text formatter by Pabbly. In my action event, I'm going to select text basic formatting and then click on connect. Now I'm going to map the string, which is this. So this is the phone number which I have to format, and in the transform, I'm going to select extract number. Using this, the plus sign will be removed and I will get the numbers only in the response. I'm going to click on save and send test request. Here it is, I have received the response. Now I'm going to map the response which I have captured from this text formatter, which is this one. Now I'm going to enter the WhatsApp message. So here I have entered the message. Hi, thank you for showing interest in our service. I'm from Digital Dynamics. We help businesses like yours generate more leads, increase sales, and grow online. Based on your interest, here's how we can help to get started. Please choose an option. Just reply with number and I'll reach out as soon as possible. Now here I'm going to send a personalized message. For that, I'm going to enter the name of this person. Now as I've mapped this, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from this Instagram lead ads, this is going to get replaced with a new name and the personalized message will be sent to this person. I'm going to enter the name again in this name field, and then in this opt-in, incoming block, tags to remove, tags to add. I'm not going to enter anything in these fields. You see here I have entered a dummy phone number. So for now I'm going to remove this number and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message on the execution of this workflow. Now here, after entering all these details, I'll click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here you see I have received this response. Now let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message or not. And here it is, I have received this message. You can see that I have received a personalized message, and this is the same message which we have added to our workflow. Now to summarize, we took Instagram lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we want to send the WhatsApp message. Using Pabbly chat flow, I built the connection between Pabbly Connect, selected the event, entered the number, entered the message, and finally send this WhatsApp message. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly chat flow using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUBYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.